Tires are the most crucial element in any vehicle, be it a two-wheeler, a three-wheeler, a four-wheeler or a truck. Any car needs tires. And we've really never covered how tires are made. Well, that's about to change today because we are in Mysore visiting the Vikrant plant that JK Tyre took over almost 25 years ago. There's lots of interesting things that we want to show to you. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you are always notified with carandbike's work.
Tyre manufacturing is a multi-stage process. A typical tyre contains dozens of different rubber compounds, each formulated for a particular application within the tyre. JK Group has its R&D center nearby, which is where all the recipes are formulated. Data from past and present aid in preparing the ideal mixture required for producing these compositions. The computer churns out exact measures of specific batches of rubber and chemicals for mixing. Steel and textile reinforcing components are embedded into the rubber that form the tread, sidewalls, etc. Various semi-finished products come together and are assembled on the tyre building machine. Our time inside the plant was very limited, so we only got to check out the curing and the final stages of how a tyre is made. The first step though is mixing of raw materials, rubber, carbon black, sulfur and other materials to form the rubber compound. After this, the tyre is sent to a tyre building machine where a worker builds up the rubber layers to form a tyre. Layers and layers of rubber is wrapped inside this machine, eventually glued into place. Next step is the heated curing press. Here, the tyre receives its final shape and properties after vulcanization under carefully controlled conditions of temperature and pressure. Placed over the bladder, the clamshell mold closes, fills up with steam and expands to shape the tyre. Tread pattern and sidewall markings are engraved here. Gigantic mixtures, hanging like vertical cement mixers, stir the rubber and chemicals together in batches. After curing is complete, the tyre is removed from the mold for cooling and then testing. Each tyre is thoroughly inspected for flaws such as bubbles or voids in the rubber of the tread, sidewall and the interior of the tyre. Even the samples of the rubber from the final mix is tested for tensile strength and density. If a defect shows up, engineers review the specific steps of tyre component assembly to determine how the flaw was formed. Each individual stage of production, from the inspection of raw materials to delivery of finished tyres, is subject to multiple quality control checks. A multi-layered process ensures JK tyres are thoroughly checked for quality. Once tyres have passed all checks and inspections, they are sent to the distribution warehouse for shipment.